What is it?
Gresham Veazey.
Okay.
I love everything. Fire spreading all around my room. My world's so bright, it's hard to breathe, but that's alright. Hush.
Fest, we're gonna do something pretty crazy. Need to find the Plasti-Dip though. So what are our options here?
What?
We've got orange, neon orange.
Finessing out here.
I think you should paint your wheels this color.
I do like that. The hybrid, you know. Prius got to go with the blue, saving the earth.
Or gold. I think that's too low key.
Yeah, you need something to pop. I like
What about
the
this
orange
blue though? How about that blue? Blue and orange?
It would look too good. We need something that's gonna just make it look stupid.
I guess we gotta do these two then. These
I
are
like
crazy.
these pop.
These are the craziest colors we got. Oh yeah, baby. About to do something wild. You've never seen this before. What are we about to do, Corbin?
We're about to make my car. We're about to make my Infiniti the cleanest Infiniti out there.
The cleanest Infiniti in Nashville. You just wait.
Nashville, Bowling Green. We're gonna roll it to LS Fest. Clean, smoking everybody.
Yeah. You just wait. You just wait.
Look at that good boy right there.
Good boy.
Look at that good boy right
Where's
there.
that good boy at?
Right there.
Oh. Oh yeah. You like that? So here we are. About to do something absolutely crazy.
They call me FLACKO and don't play no about my place. Baked potato on that Draco, new bandana on my face. Ain't no stains up on my drapes, squeaky clean. You say, peep the teeth, no dentures, please. Princess cut, no dentist, please. Say cheese for the cameras, ain't G's for the dancers. Ben G's in the safe, that's right. Bentleys for the family, but it all for the wish. So what more can I say? Race to the Lord, give me grace. Scar on my face. Wait. I ain't ducking bullets either. I ain't ducked sauce since I became a vegan. Flock with Jody season. Proud of pants before the season. Probably ducked off in a quiet place with your breezy. Proud of shades, probably why you couldn't see him. Proud of me. I would like to dedicate to the scar on my face. All the stars of the globe. The world is your scar face. I would like to dedicate to the scar on my face. And the stars on the globe. The world is your scar face.
So this is where we're at right now. We got orange wheels. Got Race Me. We're about to start doing this side soon. This is sure to be a showstopper tonight. We got the Race Me on the rear. This is gonna attract some attention.
Hi, partner, Reese!
Hi, fellas.
Roy Rogers!
don't like it. Nobody does this stuff.
Love. Oh, we were almost here for an hour.
Were we?
Almost. Hello. Do you like my paint job on my car? Not really a big fan of it. Not the wheels? The pink and orange?
No.
I just got it done today. Yeah. It was kind of a speed process, but you know how it goes. I know. That's what I was thinking at first. But she's still with me, so she can't be that mad, right?
I think it's a nice car, but
I appreciate it.
somebody did a little something.
Hold on, what's it say?
Few inches later.
That's what I'm thinking, right? Hell. What's your number? I can put. Oh, you want to send them to me?
What do you guys think of the paint job?
It's custom made. It's one of them.
Hey,
We're doing it right now.
What do you think?
I like it. It's cool.
It's the one and only Digo Double.
Right?
It's cool, man.
Right? What do you think?
You're away. You're slow. Okay. Not bad. So wait, what a
Trumpet boys. That's what they call my car.
Oh, okay. But it's an Infiniti. It's a nice car.
Help me out! Come on!
I'm not finished.
Trumpet boys, hey! You already know. Custom made. It's custom made. Okay. Nice rap, ain't it?
So what do you boys think?
I think you missed the spot on the rim, dude.
Nah.
Oh yeah. We got born today.
Everybody seems to love it. Love to see it.
What is it?
Gresham Veazey.
Okay.
I love it. I love it. See these reactions we begin.
Oh, let me park. I need to see that.
You gotta see. Park right here.
You're slow, what?
A few moments later.
Y'all see this?
Weezy out of here.
Rose gold seat on a fucking helicopter. double C, no Chanel, cause she's bad, bad, bad. Riding Kawasaki, I can cup you a new Rari, let you ride it, now you're rap, and you're bad, bad, bad. No plan, no Atari, I won't play with you for nothing. I can eat you like hibachi, cause you bad, bad, bad. I just took the doors, all the guinea, now I'm riding, and I'm sliding in the sideways, now she call me her side. Rich nigga, shit up on my daddy, your new petty. Got a model, gotta think he gotta be him, got a stallion, got a $1 billion corporation for Kazani. I got millions to go get in a couple bitches to, yeah.